Today I'm gonna replace the battery for iPhone 6 Plus. That's iPhone 6 Plus. I've already removed the screen over here. So the battery is stuck. First you need to take off the battery from here, and then the battery is stuck like this, so you need to remove the adhesive. The way you remove the adhesive is just gently put your screwdriver and roll it slowly and steadily. It's not easy for the first time. You have to be really careful. Don't pull it hard, just slowly and steadily. Just pull it like this. The adhesive will come out behind the battery just like that. So we're just rolling this so that this sticker won't break, right? So if I keep pulling it, it might break, so I'm just taking that precaution here. Over here, that's it, one. And then you might have to take out one more from here. The same process repeated. Now I'm taking out the second sticker. There you go. Just pulling slowly. Just there you go. Okay. There you go. The battery came out by itself. There you go. I'm gonna use this sticker so that the battery stucks inside, doesn't fall out. So that's how. Just cut it. The new battery, when I put, it should not fall out, right? So I'm just gonna put double-sided tape here, 2 of them, then peel it off just like this. This one just like this, and then that's the new battery I'm gonna install. The way you install is, first you align this battery, clip it with this just like that. You'll hear a click when you press this area with the holder. Then you just slide in the battery, align it and put it. So there you go. Now battery is stuck. It will not fall off. I'll show you. So it doesn't fall off, right? So there you go. So I'm gonna first remove the battery before I test it, right? So the battery is already installed. I'm gonna put the screen back into its place. So first you need to put the screen back. So make sure you put this back properly, one by one. There you go. And then this one and the last one. There you go. Everything is stuck. Now is the time you put the battery clip. Just press this properly. There you go. And now let's turn on the phone and check it out. There you go. The new battery is installed in this iPhone 6 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please like my videos and subscribe this channel. More videos with the useful tips and tricks on how to, repair your phones and softwares, batteries, everything. I'll keep updating the videos. Thank you. Bye.